Hey there, today I'm talking about a crucial topic, the effects of smoking and why you should quit. Did you know that cigarettes contain over 5,000 chemicals? Yep, and they're all doing a number on your body. Let's dive in. First up, tar. It's nasty. Tar coats your teeth and gums, wrecking your enamel and causing decay. It also damages the nerve endings in your nose, leading to loss of smell. And that's not all. Tar coats your airways and lungs, increasing the risk of infections and causing conditions like bronchitis and emphysema by damaging the cilia, those tiny hair-like structures that clean your lungs. Now let's talk about alveoli and carbon monoxide. Tar fills the alveoli, which are the air sacs responsible for oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange. Carbon monoxide binds to hemoglobin, reducing your blood's oxygen-carrying capacity. The result? Shortness of breath. Nicotine is another big player. It triggers the release of dopamine and endorphins, making you feel good and creating addiction. But it comes with a cost. Chemicals in cigarettes constrict your blood vessels and damage their lining, restricting blood flow and increasing the risk of blood clots, heart attacks, and strokes. Let's not forget cancer. Those chemicals cause DNA mutations, upping your cancer risk in multiple organs, not just the lungs, and substances like arsenic and nickel hinder DNA repair. But here's the good news. Quitting smoking comes with amazing benefits. Just 20 minutes after quitting, your blood pressure and heart rate begin to normalize. After 12 hours, carbon monoxide levels stabilize. At 24 hours, your heart attack risk decreases. After 48 hours, your nerve endings regenerate, improving your taste and smell. The benefits keep coming. After 1 month, your lung function improves and coughing lessens. At 9 months, your cilia regrow, reducing infection risk. After 1 year, your heart disease risk drops by half. After 5 years, your stroke risk significantly decreases. And after 10 years, your lung cancer risk is half that of a smoker. Finally, after 15 years, your coronary heart disease risk is similar to a non-smoker. I know quitting is tough. Withdrawal can cause anxiety and depression, but these are temporary. Nicotine replacement therapy, counseling, support groups, and exercise can help you through. So take the step today. Quitting smoking dramatically improves your long-term health. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is worth it.